Decorating a small house to achieve a designer standard look can be both an exciting and challenging endeavor. Decorating your small house like a designer requires careful planning, strategic choices, and an eye for detail. By incorporating your decorating process, you can create a stylish, functional space that feels both inviting and sophisticated. With limited space, every choice you make must be intentional and strategic to create an environment that feels spacious, stylish, and cohesive. Remember that every decision you make should reflect your personal style while maximizing the potential of your small home. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore various aspects of interior design, including color schemes, furniture selection, layout optimization, lighting, and decorative accents. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to transform your small house into a beautifully designed space. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspiration. Understanding your space. Before diving into the decorating process, it's essential to understand the characteristics of your small house. Take note of the following. Square footage, measure each room to understand the available space. Natural light, assess how much natural light each room receives throughout the day. Architectural features, identify any unique architectural elements, like beams, alcoves, or windows, that can be highlighted. Establishing a design style. Your design style will guide your choices throughout the decorating process. Here are some popular styles that work well in small spaces. Minimalist focuses on simplicity and functionality, using a limited color palette and essential furnishings. Scandinavian emphasizes light colors, natural materials, and cozy textiles for a warm yet modern feel. Industrial incorporates raw materials like metal and wood, often with an open layout and exposed elements. Bohemian features vibrant colors, eclectic patterns, and a mix of textures for a laid-back vibe. Decide on a style that resonates with you and aligns with your lifestyle. Choosing a color palette. Color plays a crucial role in making a small space feel larger and more cohesive. Here are some tips for selecting the right color palette. Light colors, use light shades such as whites, creams, pastels, or soft grays to create an airy feel. Accent colors, introduce bolder colors through accessories like cushions, art, or an accent wall to add personality without overwhelming the space. Monochromatic schemes, a single color in varying shades can create depth while maintaining a cohesive look. Furniture selection. In small spaces, furniture selection is critical. Here are some strategies to consider. Multifunctional furniture, look for pieces that serve multiple purposes. For example, a sofa bed or an ottoman with storage can save space while adding functionality. Scale and proportion, choose furniture that fits the scale of your room. Avoid oversized pieces that can make the space feel cramped. Transparent materials, glass or acrylic furniture, can create the illusion of more space while maintaining style. Layout optimization. The layout of your small house can significantly impact its functionality and flow. Here are some tips for optimizing your layout. Open floor plans. If possible, consider removing non-load-bearing walls to create an open floor plan that enhances flow between rooms. Zoning. Use rugs or furniture arrangements to define different areas within open spaces, e.g., living area versus dining area. Traffic flow. Ensure there is enough space for movement between furniture pieces. A clear path will make the area feel less cluttered. Lighting design. Lighting is essential in creating ambience and enhancing the perceived size of a room. Consider these lighting strategies. Layered lighting. Combine ambient, overhead, task, reading lamps, and accent lighting, spotlights on artwork, for a well-lit space. Mirrors. Strategically placing mirrors can reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Natural light. Maximize natural light by using sheer curtains or blinds that can be fully opened during the day. Decorative accents. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring your design together. Here's how to choose and arrange them effectively. Artwork. Select pieces that resonate with you and complement your color scheme. Consider a gallery wall or oversized artwork to make a statement without taking up space. Textiles, layering different textures, like throws, cushions, and rugs, adds warmth and depth to your decor. Plants, incorporate greenery to bring life into your space. Choose plants that thrive in low light if your home lacks natural sunlight. Storage solutions. In small homes, clever storage solutions are essential for maintaining organization and minimizing clutter. Built-in storage. Consider built-in shelves or cabinets that maximize vertical space without taking up floor area. Under furniture storage, utilize the space under beds or sofas for additional storage with boxes or drawers. Vertical solutions. Wall-mounted shelves or pegboards can keep items off surfaces while displaying decor. Personal touches. Finally, don't forget to infuse your personality into your decor. Here are some ideas. Family photos. Create a personal gallery wall with framed photos that tell your story. Travel souvenirs. Display items collected from travels as conversation starters and unique decor elements. DIY projects. Incorporate handmade items or crafts that reflect your creativity and style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Here are some additional tips to help you decorate your small house like a designer, focusing on various aspects of interior design. Plan your space. Create a floor plan. Use graph paper or an online room planner to sketch out your space. This will help you visualize furniture placement and ensure everything fits well. Prioritize functionality. Consider how you use each room and arrange furniture accordingly. For example, in a living room, ensure seating is oriented toward the television or fireplace. Invest in quality over quantity. Choose timeless pieces. Invest in a few high-quality, timeless furniture pieces that will last for years rather than filling the space with lower-quality items. Focus on key elements. Spend more on key pieces like a good sofa, dining table, or bed that will see daily use. Utilize vertical space. Tall bookshelves. Opt for tall bookshelves to draw the eye upward and create the illusion of height in the room. Wall-mounted storage. Use wall-mounted shelves or cabinets to keep items off the floor and free up valuable space. Use mirrors wisely. Reflect light. Place mirrors opposite windows to reflect natural light and brighten up the room. Create depth. Use large mirrors to create a sense of depth, making the space feel larger. Layer textures. Mix fabrics. Incorporate a variety of fabrics like cotton, linen, velvet, and leather to add depth and interest to your decor. Use rugs. Layer rugs to define areas within open spaces and add warmth. A larger neutral rug can be topped with a smaller patterned rug. Choose the right lighting. Dimmer switches. Install dimmer switches to control the mood of the room and adapt lighting for different occasions. Statement fixtures. Invest in a statement lighting fixture that serves as a focal point, such as a chandelier or a unique pendant light. Create zones in open spaces. Area rugs. Use area rugs to define different zones in an open floor plan, such as separating the living area from the dining area. Furniture arrangement. Arrange furniture to create distinct areas, like using a sofa to separate the living space from the dining space. Incorporate smart storage solutions. Ottomans with storage. Use ottomans that open for storage to keep blankets or games out of sight while providing extra seating. Underbed storage. Utilize storage bins under the bed for seasonal clothing or extra linens. Add personal touches. Custom art. Commission a local artist for a piece that reflects your style or create your own artwork. Sentimental items. Display items that hold personal significance, such as family heirlooms or travel souvenirs. Maintain a cohesive color scheme. Limit your palette. Stick to a cohesive color palette throughout your home to create a unified look. Choose 2 or 3 main colors and use variations of those shades. Accent walls. Consider painting an accent wall in a bolder color to add interest without overwhelming the space. Embrace minimalism. Declutter regularly. Regularly assess your belongings and remove items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. Keep surfaces clear. Aim for clean surfaces by minimizing decorative items and keeping only what is necessary. Use functional decor. Decorative baskets. Use stylish baskets for storage that also serve as decorative elements. Functional art. Look for art pieces that double as functional items, such as decorative hooks or shelves. Experiment with scale. Mix sizes. Combine large and small decor pieces to create visual interest. For example, pair a large piece of art with smaller decorative objects. Proportional furniture. Ensure that furniture is proportional to the size of the room. Avoid oversized pieces in small spaces. Incorporate nature. Indoor plants. Add greenery with indoor plants that thrive in low light to bring life into your home. Natural materials. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan to add warmth and texture. Accessorize thoughtfully. Curate accessories. Select accessories that complement your overall design style and avoid overcrowding surfaces. Group items. Create visually appealing groupings of decor items on shelves or tables by varying heights and textures. Conclusion. Decorating a small house like a designer requires thoughtful planning and intentional choices. By understanding your space, establishing a clear design style, selecting the right colors and furniture, optimizing layouts, enhancing lighting, and incorporating personal touches, you can create a beautifully designed home that feels both spacious and inviting. Remember that the key to successful small space design is balance, between aesthetics and functionality, between personal style and practicality. With these strategies in mind, you're well on your way to creating a designer-standard home that reflects who you are while maximizing every square inch of your space. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Decorating a small